High above us, hidden in the vast expanse of space, orbits a mystery that has captivated imaginations for over a century. This mystery is the Black Knight satellite. Is it an alien artifact, a silent sentinel sent to observe humanity? Or is it simply a product of our own terrestrial endeavors, misidentified and shrouded in myth? The truth, as with many things ancient and unexplained, remains elusive. Nikola Tesla, a visionary genius far ahead of his time, made a startling claim in 1899. While conducting experiments in his Colorado Springs laboratory, Tesla believed he had intercepted radio signals. Not just any signals, but signals that originated from beyond Earth. Could these signals have been from the Black Knight satellite, a harbinger of its presence, or were they simply the result of Tesla's own brilliant but eccentric mind? The questions linger, unanswered, fueling the fires of speculation. Throughout the early 20th century, strange anomalies were reported by radio operators around the globe. Unexplained echoes, delayed transmissions, and mysterious rhythmic signals, all defying conventional explanations. Were these whispers from the void further evidence of the Black Knight satellite's presence? Or were they merely the result of atmospheric interference, misinterpreted and woven into the growing tapestry of the unknown? In the 1950s, Donald Keyhoe, a retired Marine Corps major and prominent UFO researcher, brought the Black Knight satellite to the forefront of public awareness. Keyhoe pointed to unusual radar tracks and long-delayed echo reports as evidence. Was Keyhoe privy to classified information, or was he simply misinterpreting data to fit his own theories? The debate raged on, further solidifying the Black Knight satellite as a cultural phenomenon. The US government is aware of the satellite's existence and is actively concealing it from the public. In 1973, Scottish science writer Duncan Lunan added another layer to the Black Knight saga. This mysterious satellite, believed by some to be of extraterrestrial origin, had already captured the imagination of many. Lunan's contribution was both intriguing and controversial, sparking debates that continue to this day.
I claim to have decoded a message embedded within the long-delayed radio echoes first reported decades earlier. These echoes, which puzzled scientists since the 1920s, were thought by some to be signals from an alien probe orbiting Earth. My analysis suggested that these echoes were not random but contained a structured message.
According to Lunan, the message originated from Epsilon Bootis, a star system in the constellation Bootis, and depicted a star chart dating back 13,000 years. This star chart, if accurate, would imply that an advanced civilization from Epsilon Bootis had been aware of Earth for millennia, possibly even monitoring our development.
Was this decoded message a genuine transmission from an ancient extraterrestrial civilization, or was it simply pareidolia, the human tendency to perceive patterns in random data? The scientific community was divided. Some researchers were fascinated by the possibility, while others were skeptical, pointing out the lack of concrete evidence.
Lunan himself later retracted his claims, citing errors in his calculations, but the legend persisted. Despite his retraction, the idea that we might have received a message from an ancient alien civilization continued to captivate the public imagination. The Lunan incident remains a fascinating chapter in the ongoing search for extraterrestrial intelligence, reminding us of the fine line between scientific discovery and human imagination. In 1998, during the STS-88 mission, astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour captured a series of photographs that sent shockwaves through the UFO community. These images, taken during a routine mission, would soon become the center of a heated debate that continues to this day. The photographs appeared to show a large, black, unidentified object in low Earth orbit. This object, with its peculiar shape and size, stood out starkly against the backdrop of the vast empty space. It was unlike anything the astronauts had seen before, and its presence raised more questions than answers. Could this be the elusive Black Knight satellite finally captured on film? The Black Knight satellite is a mysterious object that has been the subject of speculation and conspiracy theories for decades. Some believe it to be an ancient alien satellite sent to monitor Earth for thousands of years. Others think it might be a piece of lost technology from a forgotten civilization. NASA was quick to dismiss the object as space debris, most likely a thermal blanket that had become detached from the International Space Station during construction. According to NASA, such incidents are not uncommon, and the object in the photographs was nothing more than a piece of harmless debris. But for many, the explanation rang hollow. Skeptics and enthusiasts alike question NASA's quick dismissal, arguing that the object's unique characteristics did not match those of a simple thermal blanket. The debate grew, with some experts suggesting that the object exhibited controlled movements unlike typical space debris. The Black Knight satellite, it seemed, had been photographed only to be dismissed as mundane debris. Yet, the mystery endures. To this day, the true nature of the object remains unknown, fueling ongoing speculation and intrigue. Whether it is a piece of space junk or an ancient alien artifact, the Black Knight satellite continues to captivate the imagination of those who look to the stars and wonder what secrets the universe holds. Theories abound regarding the true nature of the Black Knight satellite.
Some believe it to be an extraterrestrial probe sent to monitor our planet and its inhabitants.
Others speculate that it is a remnant of an ancient advanced civilization that once inhabited Earth, perhaps even predating humanity itself.
Still others maintain that it is nothing more than a collection of space debris, misidentified and imbued with fantastical significance.
Skeptics point to the lack of conclusive evidence as proof that the Black Knight satellite is nothing more than a myth, a product of overactive imaginations and a thirst for the unknown.
They argue that the various sightings and claims can be attributed to misidentified natural phenomena, discarded rocket parts, or even hoaxes.
Despite attempts to debunk the Black Knight satellite, its legend continues to thrive in popular culture. It has been featured in books, movies, television shows, and countless online forums. The enduring fascination with this enigmatic object speaks to our innate desire to believe in something beyond ourselves, something mysterious and unexplained. The Black Knight satellite remains an enigma, a tantalizing mystery that continues to capture the imagination. For decades it has been the subject of countless theories and speculations, each more intriguing than the last. Some believe it to be a piece of alien technology, a probe sent by an advanced civilization to monitor our planet. Others think it might be an ancient relic, a remnant of a long-lost human civilization that once reached for the stars. Whether it is an alien artifact, an ancient relic, or simply a collection of space junk, its story serves as a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the countless mysteries it holds. The Black Knight satellite challenges our understanding of space and time, urging us to look beyond the known and explore the unknown. It stands as a symbol of the human spirit's unending quest for knowledge and discovery. Perhaps one day, with advances in technology and our understanding of the cosmos, the true nature of the Black Knight satellite will be revealed. Scientists and researchers around the world are constantly developing new tools and methods to study the universe, and with each breakthrough, we come one step closer to uncovering the secrets of this mysterious thing. Until then, it remains a topic of fascination and debate, inspiring both scientific inquiry and imaginative storytelling. Until then, it will continue to orbit our planet, a silent sentinel shrouded in mystery and speculation. Its presence in the night sky serves as a constant reminder of the unknown, a beacon that calls out to the curious and the adventurous. The Black Knight satellite endures, not just as a physical object, but as a symbol of the mysteries that await us in the vast expanse of space.